Hi, I'm Richard Mann. You know, the snapshot was something that Jeff Cooper really liked to teach here at Gunsight, and it's a concept he had that was tied to his scout rifle concept. And the idea behind the snapshot was you may have to take a quick shot at a close distance in a hurry. And matter of fact, when Jeff Cooper shot his line, I think he used a snapshot on his line, so it kind of proved his concept. But this is Gunsight instructor Mario Marchman. Mario, a lot of people don't understand what a snapshot really is.
Well, you're right, and one of the things we teach is a snapshot with a rifle, either in the scout classes or the standard rifle classes, or carbine. And what it is exactly as you explained, that from a ready position, mounting the gun quickly, picking up the reticle, whatever it might be, a red dot or a crosshair, and getting that shot off within, you know, a second, second and a half, something like that.
Yeah, so why don't you walk me through it?
Okay. All right, come to a high ready position if you would. Great. What we're going to do now, once I give you the fire command, is you're going to go forward, mount that gun, bring it back into your shoulder, make sure you clear any covering garment by bringing that gun out far enough in front of your body.
Right, right.
Once it comes up, it makes contact with your cheek first and then slides back into the pocket of the shoulder. Once it hits that, your focus is on that reticle. Press that trigger smoothly and see if you can get a shot off.
All right, cool.
We'll be dry. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Fire. That looked good. Let's try that one more time. Shooter ready? Fire. You can see it can be pretty effective. And the secret is the mount.
Yeah, when the cheek piece touches your cheek, that establishes your eye position behind the scope.
Absolutely, and it happens pretty quickly with practice as everything.
Cool.
Well, would you like to try it live?
Yeah, let's try it.
All right, let's fire a couple rounds. All right, safety on, come to a high ready. We'll fire a single shot from the snap to our target downrange. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Fire. Good, safety back on. Let's do that again. Ready? Fire. Safety on. One more time. Ready? Fire. Safety on. All right, what'd you think?
I think it's quick.
Pretty
good
effective.
Technique, good technique.
Very good.
All right,
You
thanks,
did a good job.
Thanks, Mario. Thanks for watching. And when are you coming to Gunsight?
Gunsight Academy, originally the American Pistol Institute, was founded by former Marine Jeff Cooper in 1976. It's the oldest civilian firearms training academy in the world, with more than 50 instructors and 26 ranges covering 3,200 acres. Gunsight Academy trains thousands of civilians, law enforcement, and military personnel each year. Often called the Harvard of handguns and the Camelot of the Great Southwest, Gunsight is freedom's backbone.